Yeah. 273 in the building. Taller 3K sweat sitting in the dark right now. Staring at the monitor. Step outside. We see you. Loading in the server with my cousin by my side. Two bros playing nowhere for the sweats to hide. I check the leaderboard, yeah, I see a 3K name. 6 hours in the lobby, bro, you're ruining the game. I'm at 273, yeah, I play it for the thrill. Your side dash, cancel it just to steal a cheap kill. Infinite in ones, got your fingers in a cramp. While you're sitting in the dark like a basement dwelling champ. You think you go do cause you're wiping out the floor. Your mom is downstairs yelling, knocking on your door. You think you're so cold, dodging all of my attacks. With your gaming chair posture like a question mark bag. You pop your awakening, thinking you're a god class. I'm casting my own domain expansion. Touch grass. Yeah, domain expansion. Touch grass. Log off the server, go and get a hall pass. You spamming hollow purple while you're sweating on your keys. Begging for a combo, screaming hitbox please. Hitting me with lead, trying to force a sweaty fight. When's the last time that you saw the actual sunlight? I respect the grind, but you're hunting down the small. You're a 3K bully hiding behind a firewall. Me and my cousin, we're just laughing at the screen. Cause you're the palest sorcerer this lobby's ever seen. Take off the headset, take a breath of the air. You got 3,000 kills but 0 time to spare. You think you're so cold, dodging all of my attacks. With your gaming chair, posture like a question mark bag. You bought your awakening, thinking you're a god class. I'm casting my own domain expansion. Touch grass. Yeah, domain expansion. Touch grass. Get some vitamin D, let the sunlight pass. Yeah, 273 and we're still climbing. Keep your 3,000 kills, bro. We got extra lives. Cancel that side dash and walk out your front door. Oh, look at a tree. We out.